Section the hair in 4 sections. The parting from the highest point of the head onto the ears is a zigzag parting. Release the front hairline and determine the length of your guideline in the natural fall. Take vertical partings. Distribute the hair perpendicular. Position your fingers diagonally and cut your guideline. Continue taking vertical partings until the zigzag section is complete, distributing the hair forward. Position your fingers diagonally and cut your guideline. Mirror your technique by projecting the hair forward and perpendicular. On the other side, connect the fringe in a natural fall. Use a rollover technique and point cut 1.5 inches deep to create softness at the contour line. Start in the middle of the nape area and use the guideline from above the ear. Project the hair horizontally and use the slice cutting technique to cut from short to long to create soft layers. Use a stationary guideline in the middle of the nape. Comb all the hair towards the middle of the nape on a stationary guideline. On the other side of the nape, we project all the hair to the stationary design line, using the other side as a guideline. Work forward to blend the sides into the nape.